ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 3 ಗಂಟೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇವಾಗ.
Yes, sir. My technical seminar topic is automated enhanced learning system using IoT. I'm doing this technical seminar under the guidance of Bharat Kumar sir. What my project consists of introduction, literature survey, methodology, flowchart, components used, advantages and disadvantages, experimental result, conclusion, future work, and references. Let me start with introduction. In current scenario, engineering students are facing problems in grasping the subjects. Henceforth, level and quality of education is regularly declining. One of the probable causes of this decline in quality of education is students are not able to understand the subject. So for this problem, there is a solution that is involved in our proposed system. It is based on theory of three preferential learning style of individual, namely visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, and it is called VAC theory. So the present approach is based on classifying the student based on their learning styles and allotting them assignment as per their preferential learning style accordingly. The proposed system put forward an IoT-based system which will automatically categorize students and keep the record of their performance and assignment and submission history. So this will improve in the performance of the student from 5 to 40T as per the result of our experiment. Okay, learning style. Learning style plays an important role in grasping and understanding power of a student. If the activities, assignment, tutorial, etc. are designed as per the preferential learning style of the student, it can result in significant improvement in grasping and understanding the subject by the student. How the fingerprints are formed are it is formed in the womb of the mother, and they can be utilized to identify the learning style of the student. There are 4 general patterns in fingerprint, that is oval, loop, arc, and the accidental. Then the ridges on the skin of the palm and toes begin to form in after 13th week embryo grows in maternal body. The formation of this pattern, dermal lines, will complete during 24th week. Once it is fully completed, it will last for until we die. So this is all about the fingerprint and how the fingerprints can differentiate themselves. It involves the characteristics, the bifurcation, ridges ending, island, and ridge crossing. These are all the characteristics of the fingerprint. Let's move on to the learning style. Learning style. Most people have certain method or approach. This is better than other approach of interacting with and processing information. There are 3 learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. While designing the assignment, an educator or teacher has to keep in mind the preferential learning style of the group of students and customize the assignment. For example, for auditory group, the assignment may ask them to summarize their responses to lectures, and they heard what they heard, they has to tell to their respective teachers, and assignment will be like giving oral test like that. Whereas for visual group, their assignment may involve explanation with illustration, diagramming, reading maps, drawing, sketches, preparing notes themselves, etc. These are the assignment that must be allowed to the visual learning style. And for the kinesthetic, and for kinesthetic, the assignment was so special. They involving physical activity, physical exam, rather than written use role plays, flashcard, and similar activities. Let's move on to the literature survey. The first paper, a model of tutoring based on the behavior of effective women tutors. The model of tutoring described in this paper is based on the study of skilled human tutors. Only the study has shown that our tutors perform variety of tasks that are elegantly coordinated to create effective tutoring behavior. What is this paper? It is all about tutoring to the student. Tutoring to the student. This paper is study of skilled human tutors in the domain of cardiovascular physiology. The major theme of this model is a problem-solving environment and solving problem in domain. What we are implementing from this paper to our project is how to teach the student and how to identify the effective learning style. Then the next paper is proactive acquisition from tutoring and learning principle. In this paper, they present their design and implementation of new acquisition a dialogue tool called Slick that is built based on the tutoring and learning principle we have compiled. What we are taken from this project to our project is recording of the performance of the student and analyzing is or her performance increased or what. And the next paper, learning and teaching style in engineering education. Learning style of most engineering students and teaching style of most engineering professors are incompatible in several dimensions. Many or most engineering students are visual, sensing, inductive, and active, and some of them are most creative. Students are global. They involve all these visual, sensing, inductive, and active. So what we are implementing from this paper is how the students are good at their studies. We are taking only 3 parameters from this paper, that is visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Next, methodology. The proposed model requires that the data of total number of students is entered into the database. The faculty member has to design assignment and prepare them as per the 3 categories of learning style, that is visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. The proposed system will check the fingerprint of each student and analyze its learning style. Each student will be categorized into one of the 3 learning styles and put into 3 groups. Finally, a database of all the students will be prepared according to their learning style, and student will be categorized into 3 groups. Whenever an assignment is due, the student has to put his finger on fingerprint scanner, and IoT-based system will automatically identify the student and assign the assignment for them. And we are using here DMIT software, which means dermatoglyphic multiple intelligence test. Dermatoglyphic means it is a study of fingerprint scanner, and this software is used to identify the inborn talent of an individual. It can generate unlimited DMIT report, and this DMIT helps in automatic assignment allocation from the faculty side to the student and maintaining report. Next, automated assignment allotment and validation system is proposed system. All the student database will be prepared according to their learning style and group accordingly. The proposed system will not only distribute or assign the tutorial to the student, but will also keep the record of the progress, marks scored, assignment, submission theory, etc. On the basis of this record, 2 consecutive semester analysis improvement is the grasping the subject can also be done. Let's move on to the flowchart. In this flowchart, the first step clarifies the student's learning style will be identified and preferential learning style will be assigned. And in the next step, identify gaps in the fingerprint to identify the appropriate or correct student. In the checkpoint, it involves acquired fingerprint, identify preferential learning style, and automated assignment allocation. And in the 4th step, check for due if it is allowed assignment and functional simulation. Hello, sir.
Pritam,
Sir.
figure 2 ಯಾವ್ದು ಪಿಪಿಟಿಲಿ?
Sir, figure 2 ಇದು sir, characteristic of fingerprints.
Figure 1?
Figure 1, sir, 4 different fingerprints, sir.
ಸರಿ. ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಯಾರ್ದಿದು?
ಸರ್ ನಂದೇ ಸರ್.
ನಿನ್ನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾರು?
ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡು. ಸರಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಗರ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಫಿಗರ್ 2 ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿವ ಅವರು?
ಸರ್ ಯಾರು?
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋ.
Sir, components used. We are used to component Arduino Uno and the fingerprint module 10A. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmega328P microcontroller and developed by Arduino. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input or output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. The board will be used for primary interfacing of the devices. And then the fingerprint module 10A. In this fingerprint module, it easy recognition, more accessible and easy to add fingers. It may include more fingerprint collection, comparison and search. This module come up with flash memory to store the report. Next, sir. This is the experimental setup of my technical seminar project. Advantages and disadvantages. When it comes to advantages and disadvantages, the visual style, the auditory style, and the kinetic style, as I mentioned above. And the advantages involved in the visual style is it makes recollection easier when in an environment different from where you had learned this information. You see pictures similar to those through which you learned the information. This is the advantage. And then a special disadvantage of a visual learning style is the difficulty you experience when only text and speeches are available for learning without any visual aids. Then the auditory style. The advantage of this style is that you assimilate and retain information without having to see it in text or pictures. However, the difficulty is that the learning among silently reading learners in a library, for example, is one disadvantage. For example, in auditory style, they has to explain to others. That is what their way of learning. So it might be difficult to read silently among themselves will be the disadvantage of auditory style. The kinesthetic style. The kinesthetic learning style has the advantage of exposing learners faster to practice and evidence. You learn as you practice and practice that you learn. You see the evidence of what you had digested with difficulty from text or discussion. However, the disadvantages are no places to move to for such live experience and nobody to interact with. These are the disadvantages of kinesthetic style. Experimental result. A list of 20 engineering students were taken and setup was used to acquire their fingerprint and classify them according to their learning abilities. These are the sample fingerprint of students and fingerprint type. Next, table 2. In this table, faculty has to assign a test for each student to identify learning style. According to Fleming model, it states what student enjoys in learning, that will be his or her learning style. For visual learners, the test will be like PPT presentation and ask them to write what they understand and evaluate it for 100%, 100 marks. For kinesthetic, the test will be like getting them to the field trips or building a model something and doing and ask them to explain about their experience, and that will be the test for kinesthetic. And for auditory, the test will be like teaching something and they has to discuss among them and finally we have to give them a test and evaluate it for 100 marks. These are the test and these are the result for that test. With the help of proposed system depicted in figure 5, the data acquired from fingerprint scanner was analyzed and the students were divided into 3 groups as per their preferential learning style. Figure 6 gives the percentage distribution of students as per their preferential learning style After analysis expected, percentage improvement in the performance of student is shown in figure 7. It can be observed that 5 to 42% increase in the performance of the auditory student group, and from 5 to 42% will be increased in the other two equal auditory type, whereas rest of the students are almost equally divided into kinesthetic and visual preferential learning style. This figure shows the percentage distribution of students into groups based on their learning style. By adopting automatic assignment allotment system for assigning the tutorials to the student, there is substantial increase in the performance of the student. In figure 7, the performance of the group with auditory learning style is increases to 42%, whereas the performance of group with other two learning style varies from 5 to 40%. The conclusion. IoT-based DMIT for assignment allotment system based on learning abilities of engineering student is very helpful for assigning student subject assessment. This will enhance the learning experience of the student. Student will be able to learn, understand, and correlate subject in better way. The proposed technique will improve the quality and level of engineering education, leading to better contribution of engineering graduates to society. By the proposed approach, the faculty member can easily assign the tutorial home assignment to the student depending upon their innate learning style. The proposed system can be further improved by training the software and providing the feedback of learning from the student. This is all about conclusion. And when it comes to future work, as the focus of university and higher regulatory bodies is shifting towards promoting the massive online open courses, MOOCs, online tutorials, video lectures, and other online e-learning options, the proposed method of enhancing learning experience of individual on basis of preferential learning style can become an important element, as this will help them in understanding, grasping, and building a knowledge base of subject without the help of an educator. The proposed system, if adopted, will become a game changer. Finally, references. Thank you, sir.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು?
ಸರ್
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್? ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅವರು ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್
ಅವರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಸರ್, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್.
ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೇನಾ
ಸರ್? ಎಕೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸು.
ನೀನ್ ಹೇಳು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್,
ಈ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ನೀನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೀನು.
ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪಿಪಿಟಿ ಇದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕವರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಎಲಿಗೇಟರಿ. ದ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಅವರ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ದು ಆಥರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಕೋತಾರ. ನೀನ್ ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಥರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀನು.
Yes, sir.
Then how do you claim this your PPT now? ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ. ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಣ. ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ನ.
ಸರ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊತೀನಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬರೋಗೆ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದು ವಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ
ಸರ್
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆ ಸೈಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇನು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ
ಸರ್ ನಾನೇ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್
ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಇದೆ ಕಣ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್